Luscombe Suzuki are pleased to offer to the market this fantastic example of the Vitara SZ5 Allgrip. Now this is a rare vehicle, partly thanks to the solely yellow metallic paintwork with the black roof, but also it's fully automatic and four-wheel drive. So really easy to drive, obviously being automatic with loads of driver aids because it's top of the range, but you also have the four-wheel drive for tough weather conditions and ultimately to keep you and your family safe on the road. I know this vehicle, I sold it originally, and I know the previous owner. He really does take care of his vehicles. Hopefully the video picks that up, because this car is in fantastic condition. It has been meticulously cared for. Alloy wheels on the SZ5, so they're the diamond cut 17-inch, and like the bodywork and interior, great condition. They also opted for the side body mouldings, the chrome side body mouldings, which are extra, and that ties in nicely not only with the chrome alloys, but you've also got obviously the black roof, black tinted glass, silver roof rails either side, roof bars should I say. So an impressive spec on this vehicle, and it is a particularly good example, having a full service history with ourselves. Let's take a look in the boot. Now Suzuki's known for its reliability, but the Vitara is known for making a great family vehicle. So you've got a nice boot size there, storage pockets either side, but also extra width for your golf clubs or wider loads. Level loading area, but you also have a compartment underneath, tuck away your valuables or kids' muddy boots, etc. Little touches, so you've got a 12-volt charger there, so you can run a cool box on your day trips out, as well as other items. We'll move on to the interior next, which is just as good a condition. So let's start in the back. Leather and suede trim throughout. I mean, the rear looks like it's never even been sat in. No marks, blemishes or scuffs. And up front, you can see again leather trim and suede. The seats are height adjustable. They also have these nice comfortable bolsters, so really comfortable whilst driving it, as well as good visibility. Central armrest, and all our cars are provided with 2 keys. So let's jump in. I'll show you across the dash, which is again in nice condition. You can see there. And if I start the car up, we have in-car entertainment, which is provided by this colour touchscreen. You can see there. Now this gives you a number of great features. So you have a Garmin sat-nav inbuilt, really easy to use, good reliable signal, as well as DAB radio. You've got a smartphone link for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, so you can use all your apps there, such as Apple Music, Spotify, whilst on the move. Bluetooth for making calls and streaming music. Underneath that, climate control, so you can set the cabin at your preferred temperature, and that'll work to keep you nice and cool or warm in the winter months. As I touched on before, a rare combination, so automatic gearbox. You also have a manual mode with the flappy paddles if you wish, and then the Allgrip, the four-wheel drive. Now Suzuki's well known for how good its four-wheel drive vehicles are. So you've got an auto mode, so the car can be in two-wheel drive. Let's say you hit a puddle or there's a sudden downpour and the wheels lose traction, the four-wheel drive will kick in automatically. So not just for tough weather conditions, also help to keep you and your family safe. Snow and mud mode for icy conditions, muddy conditions, etc. Diff lock for really difficult situations, and a sports mode which works alongside the turbo to give you that nippier, more responsive driving. Safety features, so we can see these on the steering wheel. You can set them up so you've got lane departure warning as well as a collision mitigation system, so automatic braking. You also have cruise control, which is adaptive, so you can set that up on long journeys, which along with the auto box just make driving so much easier. The SZ5 also has the panoramic sunroof, so a nice touch, and this does open, as we can see there, on the rare sunny day like today. It is a nice touch. It's also good in the winter months. just for letting some extra lighting in those darker months. Makes the cabin seem lighter, more comfortable, and you've got the electric blind if you wish. Keep the sun off the kids in the back. So there we have it. That is our Vitara SZ5. Top of the range, a very rare colour combination, brilliant condition, full Suzuki service history with ourselves. We will also service the vehicle before leaving, provide a 1-year warranty and an advisory free MOT for its new owner. So if you are considering the Vitara, this is a winning combination of both spec and colour, and it is a truly fantastic example, really good condition. If you'd like more information or to arrange a test drive, please get in touch with a member of the team. Thank you.